Mathestic Game is inspired by a Netflix series called Squid Game. It starts with contestants accepting an invitation to compete in children's games for a tempting prize, and it gains recognition by a great plot twist. In this concept, members will play in a particular games, and they will discuss their topic. This is a friendly concept or game compared with the original concept. All 6 players are students in a different school. They are intelligent, with an outstanding personalities. There is a room where the players will compete, and there is a mystery box containing the question, answer, or maybe a trap. The prize of this game is a scholarship to a big and famous school. Watch and enjoy, and I hope you learned a lot.
Circle? I pick triangle.
I got square.
The stick will be okay to open a vault. The 2 players should pick 2 sticks. The shorter stick means she will open the vault and open the letter that contains topic. They need to discuss the topic in shorter time. If they will hear the ring, means stop, and she loses the game.
A large stick? What does it mean?
The one who has small stick pick the topic, either transformation or psychology of shape. I would like to pick transformation, and you, Miss Maambong, is the psychology of shape. A transformation is a process that manipulates a polygon or other two-dimensional object on a plane or coordinate system. Geometric transformations involve taking a pre-image and transforming it in some way to produce an image. Geometric transformations are needed to give an entity the needed position, orientation, or shape, starting from existing position, orientation, or shape. There are 2 different categories of transformation. Number 1 is the rigid transformation, and number 2 is the non-rigid transformation. The rigid transformation, which does not change the shape or size of the pre-image. The non-rigid transformation, which will not change the size but not the shape of the pre-image.
Psychology of shape. Psychology of shape is the science studying the influence of shape on people. It suggests that every shape has a meaning attached on it, which influence our mind and reaction differently. Examples are the shape with straight lines and angles, which usually symbolize structure and order, while the shape with curves are softer and represent connection and community. Another example is circle. Circle represent wholeness and the feeling or the sense of completion.
Amara, eliminated. Please stand by. This game played between 2 people. This shape are rock, paper, and scissors. You will choose between rock, paper, scissors. If you gain 2 points, you will the one who asks first to check the paper and give a question to your component.
I hope I win this.
Marvel, please check the paper in the box.
Oh. What is geometric patterns? Geometric patterns are rooted in geometry, which is the study of the shapes and the relationships between lines and surfaces in mathematics. A pattern is defined as repeated decorative design. In graphic design, geometric patterns use shapes and lines repeatedly to create eye-catching original designs. You can use anything from a basic shape to a complex digital pattern to create impactful visual content. Geometric patterns are fantastic to use in design because, by nature, the human eye is naturally drawn to them. By pairing geometric patterns with an exciting color scheme, we can create engaging visual content that makes use of shape psychology and artistry. Oh, this is for you.
Can you give me an examples of geometric patterns?
Squares, circles, rectangles, oval, triangles, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, diamonds, and star are commonly used shapes in both complex and simple geometric pattern designs. However, a wide variety of shapes and design can potentially be used as long as the elements can be repeated in some way.
Maribel Makatambad, please proceed to winning room.
The answers are almost perfect. So unfair.
Guard will give you the statement that the player will answer if it is true or false. If she is correct or he is correct, the guard give a question. If the player got 2 points, will win the game. The game started.
The theory of Van Helly model. It is true or false that this theory is describe how the students learn geometry?
True.
What is contained in the Van Helly theory of geometric thinking?
The theory of Van Helly geometric thinking, it describes how young people learn it postulate 5 levels of geometric thinking.
Archimedes is known as the father of mathematics.
True.
Why is geometric reasoning important?
Okay, so this allows them to develop current knowledge and apply their reasoning skills. The purpose of the geometric reasoning is to determine the result from previously established truth and to then apply this result in the solution of the problems. It can also use to verify or prove the result.
The foundation of our present numerical system is the Hindu-Japanese numerical system.
False.
What is the 5-level geometry thinking?
5 levels of geometric thinking. The first is visualization, that describe shapes on the basis of their properties. And the second is analysis, describe shapes on basis of property. Abstraction, recognize the importance of properties and the relationship. Deduction, contains logical reasoning ability and powers of theorems deductively. And rigor, establish and analyzes theorems and defect post-theorem system. Each level uses its own language and symbols. And that's all for 5 levels of theory of Van Helly geometric thinking.
The game is intense. Now let's award the winners. Winners, Leanio Magbuto, Mahalbong, and Ortiz. Congratulations. Omar Haji, you saw the reflection where the short stick is. And also you like that the topic that you give to Miss Mambong is easy. You're cheating. Maribel, Coffee is changing the topic that you give to Miss Ortiz. Both of you does not deserve to become a scholar. Players in Mystery Room, please check Mystery Box. It contains scholarship for your dream school. Congratulations and train high.
Yes, I got the scholarship. Thank you.